magical teeth whitening remedy. Get whitening teeth at home in 2 minutes. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to whiten your teeth. We need these ingredients to make this recipe: 1/2 tomato, 1 teaspoon of toast paste, 1/2 lemon, Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this recipe on your teeth. Buy your toothbrush. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes. For best results, use this recipe twice a week. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.